Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. If x to the power of a square times x to the power of b square divided by x to the power of 2ab equals to x to the power of 25, x greater than 1, which of the following could be the value of a negative b? Okay, now let me take the given equation as it is. That is x to the power of a square times x to the power of b square over x to the power of 2ab equals to x to the power of 25. Okay, here in the numerator, two terms are multiplied with the same base. So whenever two terms are multiplied with the same base, we can take the base once and we have to add the exponents using the product rule of exponents. That is a to the mth power times a to the nth power equals to, so here I multiply two terms with the same base a. So now what I have to do is I have to take the base once and I have to add the two exponents, that is m positive n. Okay, I'm going to use the product rule of exponents over here. Then I'm taking the base x ones and add the exponents, that is a square positive b square divided by x to the power of 2ab equals to x to the power of 25. Okay, now let me consider the quotient rule of exponents, that is a to the mth power divided by a to the nth power. So here I divide two terms with the same base a. Whenever I divide two terms with the same base, what I have to do is I have to take the base ones and I have to subtract the exponents. So that is m negative n. So the product rule says when you multiply two terms with the same base, we add the exponents. The quotient rule says when you divide two terms with the same base, we have to subtract the exponents. So here we divide two terms with the same base, x in numerator, x in denominator. So what we can do is we can take the base x ones and we have to subtract the exponents, that is a square positive b square negative 2ab equals to x to the power of 25. Here, the base on the left side is x, the base on the right side is also x. We have the same base on both sides of the equation. Whenever two terms are equal with the same base, the exponents can be equated using a one-to-one property of exponential equations. So here, the exponent on the left side is a square positive b square into 2ab. The exponent on the right side is just 25. So we can equate the exponents. When I do so, a square positive b square negative 2ab equals to 25. And we can write this one as a square negative 2ab positive b square equals to 25. Let me write it over here. Okay, so now let's consider an important identity in algebra, that is the expansion of the square of the binomial, that is a negative b the whole square, which is equal to a square negative 2ab positive b square. So whenever we have the square of a binomial in this form, it can be expanded as a square negative 2ab positive b square. So here we have an expression on the left side over here, a square into 2ab positive b square. So that is exactly the one what we have here. So whenever we have an expression like this, it can be written as a square of a binomial, that is a negative b the whole square. So here this expression can be written as a square of the binomial, that is a negative b the whole square equals to 25. Okay, our aim is to find the value of a negative b in the question. So for that we have to get up the square over here. So for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a square root on both sides, that is a negative b the whole square, square root of a negative b the whole square. And also I'm taking square root on the right side as well, that is square root of 25. In an equation, whenever I take square root on both sides, for one of the square roots, I have to consider positive or negative sign. So here I consider positive or negative sign for the square root we have on the right side. So on the left side, the square root and square root cancel out. I'm getting a negative b equals to positive or negative. So the square root of 25 is just 5. Okay, I'm getting two values for a negative b. One is a negative b equals to positive 5. Another one is a negative b equals to negative 5. Okay, we find only positive values in the given answer choices, and since we get a positive value, that is 5 for a negative b, we can choose the option which contains a positive 5. So therefore the correct answer choice for this question is option C.